Hey guys, how's it going? So yeah, I've been away for a while. Went skiing in Austria, in Kitzbühel. It was very nice with the family. I haven't really gotten back into streaming after, and now even I'm an hour late. But anyway, yeah, I just wanted to get on a little bit. Um, did some trading at least. As you can see here from the executions. Yeah, I mean, very volatile, super tricky. Um, yeah, that's the main takeaway, I guess. Very volatile, very tricky. um, yeah, I'm trading some accounts still on FTD. Hit targets for both accounts, so I'm kind of done. And then I messed up my practice account, but yeah, that's okay. It's a practice account. Um, yeah, which also annoys me a little bit because I want to continue trading. Um, but yeah, maybe I'll do that on another account. But yeah, so um, yeah, basically, let me see. Um, uh, yeah, you should be able to see my P&L. Very small. I'm trying to show more on the screen because yeah, I was like messing around a little bit with what to show, what not to show. But now I'm just like, at least I think this works. I can like switch around like how I show it. I think, and I zoomed out the platform a little bit, so I think that kind of works better for me at least. Hope you guys can still see it. It's not too small. Um, but yeah. Um, yeah, and then other things. I don't know. It's just running the range like a lot. It's just going down. Very violently. Um, yeah. I mean, yeah. I think at some point you you could try longs again, but really wait for flushes, and have a very wide stop, very wide target. Really adjust your normal risk parameters, right? So trade small, um, and you gotta use big stops and big targets now because it's just moving a lot. Or just don't trade. That's probably the best. Just don't trade. Because if you haven't seen it that often, this could be either scary or just wipe you out. Yeah. But yeah, like I said, I done my trading, so I'm over my targets already. So I don't want to trade more because it's being added up to my end target. So it's a little bit annoying. But yeah, it was just touch and go pretty much. Um, yeah, very curious how you guys are doing. Because I think this is pretty hard to trade. It's pretty hard. Um, it feels like the ES is moving like the NQ. You know, and that says something. I think at least. um, so yeah, um, yeah. But I think right now with how it moves, I think it makes more sense maybe to watch the order book as well, because if you see the little very big orders, then it might actually you know, go there and bounce off. Um, and you want to see some quick like consolidation of volume, by some kind of, or some kind of iceberg order maybe. See that they're catching it if you want to go long. Which you can definitely do, I think, after 100 points, you know, 100 points down, for sure. But just, you know, be careful. Maybe I can arrange it a little bit better so that this is here. Yeah, this is good. Yeah. Yeah. Not sure what to tell you guys. Like, it's just very vicious moves, and yeah. Main advice is still either skip today or trade very small and with wider stops. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. I feel they might, if they fill this big one and it goes up after right away, which it does not. Oh, here, got some catching. See that? You see that they're catching it here, and that moves right away. So now, yeah, now I would go probably long. This is so algo driven, very very hard. So after this, the catch it, maybe you could have ended up buying 54, 55. So it's very high already. It's tricky. Let's say you did it. Um, you wanna ideally just wanna run the range, right? So till like 60s even. Let's say 5 points, 59. And then your stop is also there. Oh, it's already there. Wow. Okay, so that worked. So that was a 5 point trade. paper trade because I didn't do it, but just to you know, explain a little bit how I look at the volume here, because like some volume consolidation here, pullbacks, which like bounces off those things, and then you saw them catching it, like here, like you saw them catching it. Yeah, so you know, it's moving. Damn, wow, 70s. This is fun, guys. Jesus, this is like wow. Yeah, cool. Well, I hope you guys caught it. Um, I hope you guys caught it. That's would have been good for 20 points. Well, no. Uh, what did I say? 54, right? Yeah, 54. Okay, 18. Oh, thanks for subscribing, Alexander. Um, yeah, so yeah, I might have to change the setting for the footprint chart with these moves from 12 to like 16 at least, I think. Probably. Let's see. Yeah, much better. With these moves, to use 16 tick reversals. Yeah, much more clear. Much more clear. Yep. RTH midpoint coming up. 84s. Yeah, I mean they're probably gonna get there. Maybe some stops above this, maybe this range. We just can fill it pretty quick, maybe till 89. I guess. Some tapering volume here though, so yeah, really need to hold 79.50, I guess. Yeah, so yeah, it was really tapering. So it was like less interest the higher it got. Very, very clear here. Cool. Testing the drawing, never kind of used it. Seems it's like pin per doing stuff per. Oh, might have to do with this one. Ah, okay, yeah, crosshair. Cool, cool. Yeah. Yeah, it's a very clear tapering. Yeah. Seems like some ending volume here. Just market orders to the high volume here. So yeah. But still, yeah. Can change in a heartbeat today. So I still feel they should aim for stops here, I guess. I mean, I'm sure there are some. So yeah. Yeah, so it'll be interesting to see what they do here. That volume hump, if they can hold it. There you go, VPSC. Okay. Yeah, so that's so there's tapering a little bit here now on the bottom. So if this holds it, they should really still go for those stops at like 70, 85. But yeah. It moves so fast. I'm too old for this. So initially the move down from the VPSC from up to this area here, it's negative, right? Because there's more acceptance lower. Did induce a bounce, but yeah, it's gonna stay below it now. Then might see more new lows, I guess. But yeah, let's see if they're trying to hold it again. I would say it's a pretty important level now, I guess. So like 68-ish. But yeah, let's see. Yeah. They're trying. They are really trying. If I was trying along, I would try this pullback, I think. Because if they go back into that area now, above 68, then it means that this is like was the fake out, right? And then if not, you have very limited, very limited risk. Let's say you bought it like here, like 64, you could have put your stop to 60 and be okay. And then now it's 670, so it's already, you could have already scaled out a lot more. So I would have done that if I was not up already. Okay, well, it seems to work. Yeah, so 64 was the entry then. Well, it's at least a 10-pointer, so I would have taken that 10 points for sure. At least scale out. I'm still thinking it could go to the 85s. But yeah. Yeah. Let's go 85s. Oh, they seem to go for it. It really seems they're gonna do it. Yeah. So 64, 84 would be 20-point call, which is useless because But yeah. But it made sense, right? I mean, it's gonna be a fake out. This is like the level that they're kind of like most traded. Clear cutoff from this end to like the lower edge, low volume. Yeah. Attempt lower, right back up, and yeah. And again, still back to that area. Wow, that's crazy. So yeah, would have rebought, I guess, 68 again. That's very tricky now. Would not be too happy with that. Yeah. Yeah. Very interesting. Yeah, it's just going down again. Really didn't expect that. I really thought they were going to do some stuff there, but well, you never know, right? So that's the thing. Where that's why you scale out. Normally, you scale out because you never know. No one, you know. Really, no one knows. Well, maybe, maybe the guys with like a couple billion in buying power to spare, and they want to buy back up. But anyway, um, also this is gonna be it. So now this is the fake out. You can do that so many times. But anyway, yeah. So 68 is still interesting right now. Um, yeah, I mean, if it goes back there, I would still buy it, I guess, at this point. So they reject so quick again. Um, I mean, got a little bit like caught off guard because it went to almost 80 and then back to, but still, I guess just so many people are short right now that I don't know. I would I would just expect a bit more of a short squeeze or a stop hunt, at least for those people. But yeah, I don't know. I don't know. Maybe I don't know. Yeah, anything's possible. Yeah, again, not able to go above it. Very, very weak. Yeah, I would. Yeah, I would still be game. I guess to be long unless it's really going under 59s. But it's getting more tricky by the minute. Um, yeah, it's really tricky. Yeah, there it goes. Yeah, I'm not gonna keep it too long. I mean, I just wanted to jump on because you know it's moving so much. Um, but yeah, if any questions, feel free. Don't be shy. If you made it this far, give it a thumbs up. Would be much appreciated. But yeah, it seems it's going a little bit more negative. Yeah, and at what point do you say, right? So from now, 68 is not like it's a short level again. Probably already that point has been reached, I think. This was actually already here, reached 68, almost 68, and then it went, yeah. Okay, you could argue that they did that here already. Maybe. Hmm. Yeah, cool guys. So yeah, um, gonna call it. Um, yeah, I really should get back to the streaming. It's just very busy with the platform. A lot of new things are coming. A lot of good new things. Yeah, but yeah, thanks for watching. And I'll see you guys maybe tomorrow. I'll try to go stream. Cool. All right. See ya.